can start. Who want to ask anything? Can ask question. Eh? Can't speak. Can't speak means what? No, coming. And throat also something. And also in throat something. Something in throat also. Okay, okay. Sometime happen. It will be okay. It will come back. Don't be afraid. Sometime happen that just existence want you be silent. No talk. It will be when he want you have to talk, it will come back. This is sure. This time much happening in you. Many every day new something happening. Different experience. Many things are coming. So just accept whatever happening, and it will be okay.
What is mind and how it happens in consciousness of human body? What is mind? How it happens with consciousness of human body?
What happened in consciousness with?
Captures the consciousness in human body.
One thing, body you can see, you can feel it. It is true. Something is. And consciousness also is true, but that you don't know. Between these two is mind. And through mind you govern. As mind say you, you go with it. And if you think mind is inside in you, in body somewhere, so it is not like that. Mind is always wavering. Many thoughts. Every type thoughts is there. Every type thoughts. From first chakra to seventh chakra, all type thoughts are here now. Only happened in body you have, it's called seed or it's called soul or prana. and prana is moving in you, in body, prana inside. And then this prana, which chakra is going, that type thoughts, that type feelings you collect. If this prana coming in first chakra, you think like that, sexual body, about around sex. Prana coming in second body, emotions, you feel emotions. Negative, sometimes positive. Jealousy, anger, greed. Then prana coming more high, third body, then you feel energy and very much mind, thoughts, very strong thoughts. Really, in third body, mind is strong, very strong mind when you come in. Then only mind, and this mind is very not normal mind. Normal mind, you just think normal things, and then when you coming in third, then this mind is become like very negative, very doubtful, very confusion, doubt about everything, doubt on everybody, doubt on self. This is negative part of this body. And then this body, this thoughts is clear, very much fear also. When fear is clear, doubt is clear, then this become positive. Then you have awareness, much light, very strong light. Much some awareness coming start, silence start. Awareness means now when awareness coming, then you can watch the mind. Then you have can distance with mind. Before, when if awareness not is there, mind is there, awareness no any there, you in grip of mind. You cannot go anywhere. Whatever he say, you have to follow. He say you are good, you are good. You in anger, you just going in anger. You cannot be watchful. You cannot be make distance. And if distance not has, then you just as mind thoughts coming, you go like that. Very much. You cannot make any distance, cannot awareness, cannot watch the mind. You very much like a mind just here in your head. Very strong. When you have little distance, some awareness, then mind also here, but you are little far. You are little distance. Then you can watch mind. Mind is coming. You can just anger come, jealousy come. If you not have awareness, you just go with it. You become very disturbed. Angry happened, then you just jump on anybody, screaming, fighting, shouting, even very strong, more anger coming, then you just abuse start. More anger cannot watch, then this anger become more beating start. More anger coming and cannot watch, you can kill somebody. You no have any distance, no have any control, and you just go with it. But when as awareness coming, then you have thoughts as same. Anger will come same, thoughts will come same, but you can be control. You have control. Then you know these thoughts I go are no good. I have to do anger or cannot. You can control it. You have more light, more power, more awareness than more than mind. Then you can. So consciousness is awareness. Or consciousness same. So as consciousness coming in you, you can watch the mind. As much as consciousness happening. Very consciousness, mind is, you are very far, mind is here, but you are very far. Totally conscious, fully conscious, which day you become totally conscious, mind is just like a servant. If you say, mind say something, you will know I have to do this or not do this. I have to go with these thoughts or not go with these thoughts. Very awareness, fully aware. I have to go here or no go here. I have to be with this person, not be this person. I have to eat this, not eat this. Everything you know, very clear, fully. You have light. Light, mind means darkness. Okay, darkness coming. Without mind you cannot work. You cannot talk, you cannot walk, you cannot do anything. Is neat. Mind is neat. But if mind only, then darkness. Then you know, don't know where to go, what to do, to whom I talk, whom I not talk, how much I have to sleep, how much I have not sleep, how much I have work. Everything chaos. You don't know clear. Not clear. Clearance not in it. Nothing. You got no light. Without light, if you in darkness and no light, you cannot know where to go, where is door, where is window. In your house in night, if light is gone, you don't know. Then you going, you hit this thing, you hit that thing, sometimes hit with table, sometimes hit with wall, can fall anything, you don't know, you cannot see anything. This is mind. When mind, totally you in mind. But as awareness come, light coming, and if you have very little awareness, then wherever your light go, first happen, light become like a, awareness become like a torch, very small torch. Torch you put in this corner, only this corner you can see. Then you put torch this corner, you can see this corner. This corner you can see what is there, but other corner already in dark. You cannot see more. So slowly, as your awareness become bigger, your torch become bigger. Torch become bigger. Torch then the torch can be like a bulb. Just you switch on, you can see in your house, in your home, everything you can see. Then become more aware, very which day full awareness, then your awareness become like a sun. Then you see everything. Not only in your house. Bulb with only you can see your house, in your home, in your room. But once you become the sun, you can see whole existence, whole world. This is fully awareness. Become aware, totally awareness. And then mind is nothing there. So if your awareness like a torch, mind is there, but you can see. Where you look, you can see your mind, what mind is saying, it is right or not right. And as your torch, which corner torch is going, light which corner go, that corner become the light. That part of mind become light, become aware. So slowly awareness become bigger, happen. And then slowly your torch become more big torch, then become bulb, and then bulb become one day like a sun. And when sun happen, but also it is not when your awareness become like a sun, you in the sky like a sun, but sometimes on sun many clouds coming. Many clouds happen. You cannot see, look like very dark in day, even in daytime, cannot see much. Very black clouds, brown clouds, and you cannot see. These clouds are mind, thoughts. We are like a sky. In sky we are awareness, our is like a sun. But slowly your on sun, layers of layers, clouds coming, dust, darkness, layer of layer, darkness coming, and slowly you cannot see the sun. Sometimes happen very much darkness happen. In daytime look like a night. Yesterday I listening the news in TV. They say in Delhi so much rain is happening, very cloudy. 3, 4, 5 o'clock in daytime look like a night. Every car has opened the light. This happened many times. When rain is happening, morning very foggy, you cannot see, very fog everywhere. Sometimes same thing happen in you also. In your sun, so much cloud, cloud, cloud. And then if cloud is here everywhere, fog is everywhere, you cannot see. Even in Delhi they say 50 meter cannot see. After 50 meter cannot see. And then when big accident happen, there 10 cars crash to each other because fog. This happen often. And same happen in us. In us also accident happen. Many times you crash with each other, hit to each other. When so much fog, you can crush down many people, killing many people. Because this time, when he killing means light is totally finished. His light. Light is saying you, this is right thing, this is not good, this you should do, this should you not do. And light everybody has. Somebody has more light, somebody light very down, somebody very big light. So, and depend on your light. And this also whenever you going to do any wrong thing, want to abuse anybody, want to cheat anybody, want to lie anybody, as you start to lie, your heart, your light is saying, no, don't do this. Don't do. This is not good. You love him and you lie with him. But darkness is mind coming. Darkness come. And if you coming in mind, you say, okay, no. And then you lie. Lie because some your greed. You become fulfilled with, make your greed. You get something. You say little lie and you get. If you go in business, in market without lie, nobody. Everybody lie. And if you don't lie, stand in market, work, business, job, you do, and not lie, you cannot stand. They throw you out. Because you are not with them. And everybody lying. And then when you lying in market, this lying start in your family from childhood. Our parents teaching how do you lie. Your society teaching how you lie, how you cheat. And when you lie, cheating, using each other, slowly your mind becomes strong. Mind only becomes strong with these things. But if you have light, and light will say you, no, don't do this. This is not right. Sometimes you listen, sometimes not listen. And slowly, if you go more lie, more cheating, light is there, but you cannot see it. You cannot look it. You cannot listen the light. And then you just go with mind. So mind is like this. Mind always negative things. Using, cheating, lying. Many times you lie to that person also to whom you love much. Very much love. Your husband, your partner, and you lie. Why lie? Because then you security you have safety. And if you say truth, can we finish the relation? Can happen. You going together, one couple going, living together, going on market. Man like one woman. If he say I like this woman, will be trouble. Women freak out. If women say I like this man, man, totally finished. Go with him. Then he feel suddenly comparison come. Why in this man? Why in this woman? Why she like him? Complexes come, inferiority come, superiority come. Then this mind is start. Mind is heavy. So if you go in truth, maybe 1 or 2% will be your friend in the world. Everybody finish with you because they want with ego, they want with lie. Ego means lie, living lie. And if you going with truth, they break friendship, they break relationship. So therefore happen as you going in truth, as you go in meditation, as you go in sannyas, automatic your surrounding will be changed. Suddenly your old friend finish, but new friends come, newbody come, who like it, who are true and they like true. Therefore say, if you want to find yourself, when I meditation start, one book has many techniques is written, 108 techniques. And in this book, one technique I like. I reading all the techniques. And in this technique was gibberish. And this gibberish technique coming from one Sufi master, Jabbar. Therefore this technique name is gibberish. And in this technique he say, first before, like Jabbar living in forest, alone in one hut, and meditation. And he has meditation, he living alone. First thing morning he get up, wake up, come out from his hut, open in sky in forest, and he shout. He say, like he become two, one his Jabbar and one his master. Then from master side he say, Jabbar, Jabbar. Then he reply, yes master, yes master. Then master say, if you want to find yourself, don't listen to anybody. Don't listen anyone. If you want to find yourself. If you listen anybody, very difficult. You cannot find. Because you have to compromise. If you listen more, you have to go as they like, as them, according them. Slowly, lose yourself. In this region, in this type, we losing ourselves because we listening others. We listening other how they want, how they look me, how they feel me. You not become natural. You lose your nature. Naturality you lose. If you looking others, what they think about me, what my wife looking about me, what she feel about me, then you want to make yourself more better, more good, and suddenly you lose your nature. You losing your nature. So master say, if you want to find yourself, don't listen anybody. Don't look to anybody what they think about you. You look yourself. He say, yes master, yes master. And then he laughing, very much laughing. So before, when he say yes master, this all conversation happened. Story is saying he is alone there, nobody is there in forest. Then all forest is laughing start. Animals, birds, trees. They laughing on him because they look, he's crazy. He's talking with him and giving answer. Whole forest laughing start on him. And then suddenly he laughing start very loud. And then suddenly whole forest is quiet. Everybody quiet. If you laugh on others, like on yourself, not listening others, what they want. If you go with your feelings, first they laugh on you, but then they stop. Then they cannot laugh on you. But it's very difficult if you're living in relation, living in family, any type relation, any type. Very difficult to you not be like. If you not be like, they throw you out. They say, we cannot be with you. Very difficult. We cannot stand with you. We cannot live life with you. So if you are ready to be alone, and then who are true, who like the truth, they will come. They come sure. Who are not true, who are false, they will finish. They will go away. So this is mind. And everybody, if this world means mind, ego. Everywhere ego game is here. Everybody game with this ego game and go with it. Nobody is true. So therefore it happening as coming in you true, as in coming in you consciousness, suddenly mind is your going weak, mind going away, and then your relation from worldly relation will be finished. Because this relation only stand in world any type of relation with life. This you know very well. I will one thing I ask you. You have you have man, woman, lovers, husband, wife, almost everybody has. Anybody in you who can say you never lie to your wife or never lie to your husband? Put hand, who is this? Who never lie to his wife and never lie to his husband, to each other? Look, nobody is there. No one is here who are not lying to each other. This is relationship. And relation has to happen. Otherwise you cannot stand in relation. Relation will be break. The relation is false. False game, ego game, mind game. And mind only stand with lie. Nobody is here. Anybody who are sannyasis? Who can live without lie? You know very well. If you not lie to your husband, finish. This relation stand on the lie. Stand on the mind. Mind is lie. This is normal relation, but other, even if you have relation, family relations, mother, kids, father, brother, sister, everybody lie to each other. This is only happens. Somebody more lie, somebody less lie. If you coming more in truth, your lie will be finished slowly, going less. And who are not in this way, sannyas way, consciousness way, they totally in lie, very much lie. Without reason, they showing to others. Anybody coming, any friend come, or anybody come, even not come. Even you going on the train, two people here, three people here, you are sitting together. Suddenly you start the talking start, and then saying start. You have just example. You are earning maybe $500 per month. Say I earning $5,000. I have this, I have that. Even you nothing has. Why? He not bothered about he stranger for you, new person, first time you meet. But I'm this, I'm that, I have this, I have that. So many things. You have this and showing like this. For what? For why? What reason? You are not showing you are less than millionaires. I'm millionaires. When you are millionaires saying I'm millionaires, this I know this person, I know this minister, I know this police officers, I have this power, I have that power. Good. Maybe you are very powerful man. But inside you nothing. You don't know anybody, don't have anything. But everybody saying like this. Because you have so much inferiority. You don't know yourself. And this inferiority you want to finish and showing I am superior. I am very super. Everybody showing I am the super. And who is really super, he don't show. He say I am nothing. He don't want to show. Because he not bothered about outside things. What power he has, what money he has, what relations he has. He not bothered. He not think about it. He not looking about it. He looking about himself, what he is. So as you coming, yourself start, lie is finished, truth is coming. Maybe nobody with you. Nobody can stand with you. Sometime I say, few years before, one movie came. I seen this movie. I like. In this name of movie is because I can't say lie. So movie is this like one boy, one actor, actress, and they have son. He has son. Son was 5, 6, 7 years old, and he sitting in balcony in night looking outside, and suddenly one star is falling. And he heard if you see any star is falling, whatever you wish, it will be full. And he every day looking mother and father fighting and always they fight because father is very loyal. Father go with this woman, father go has this woman, and showing I am nothing, I am not, I only you are my whole life. And she doubt you have somebody, but he lied. And then his son is wished, my father should not lie, always say truth. Suddenly, this wish is existence. Listen it. Story say if star is fall and whatever you ask, say it will be okay, it will be fulfilled. And it is happening star. Now he start. Now he cannot say lie. So his friend came, friend from very young age, 20 years old friend. He came, friend just enter in room, calling his name, father's name, where you are, always meeting her excited. Okay, we drink wine and this and that. He just start, and then suddenly his truth coming start. He says, you are my friend. I want take my shoes and beating you. Always I want. You are so, I don't like you. I hate you. This friend is shivering star. He thinking he is my best friend. He like me very much. And when he's saying this thing, he's shut up his mouth. He know, he said, what I saying? What happening? But he want to say, I like you. You are my best friend. But now he cannot say. He has to say truth. Then this friend say, oh, okay, finish. Otherwise, I will fight with you, star. I thinking all my illusion finished with you. He left. Then his wife come, ask, where you been last evening? With whom you been? He said, no. He want to say, no, I am not been with anybody. But now cannot. I been with someone, one woman. You been with some woman yesterday? You say, no, I not been. Now he cannot say he not been. He say, yes, I been. She said, okay, finish. I am finished. She went in her room, packing bag, finish forever. We finished. She left. When she left, she went to her father's house. Now father coming to this man to ask what happening, why you fighting, why she finish with you, why she wants separate with you. Like always. Whenever couple is fighting, want to go away, mother, father coming, no, okay, why, what is problem? So he came and then he just asking what, like a normal father. And he just saying nothing is what to do, and but he cannot say. So you are my father-in-law, but I take you and throw you out. I never like you coming in my house every day or calling every time. Whenever you call, I abuse you. And he abusing his time. He abused him. Father is shocked. What happened to this man? He's going crazy. He's mad now. He's shivering his start, father. How he can talk to me? He never talked like this. What he feeling about me? What he think about me? Father also run away very fast. Going to daughter say, no, now he is going crazy. He's mad now. His all friends say he's mad now. Wife say he's mad now. Everybody saying he's crazy now. He cannot. So nobody with him. He is alone, sitting in home alone. Nobody want to come. They say we cannot be communicate with you. So if you also go to truth, sure it will happen. Nobody with you, but you with you. Then you with you. You are alone, but nobody is here. And if anybody meet you or come to you, they will be true. True friends, real friends, who not have interest in about your what you are, what you have, only who you are. He interested in your truth, he interested in your consciousness, not interested in any other thing. How you're looking, what you have, what you think, no matter. He conscious person come to conscious. It will happen. But this movie I like. It's a very good movie. And you doing meditation, slowly coming in you also. Very difficult will happen to lie. And when you will lie, your light will hit you. Your awareness will say you, what are you doing? You love to your wife so much, your lover so much, and why you lie to her? But you have lied because if you say truth, she will run away. Because she also want you lie. Because she also lying. It is not. Everybody lie with each other. And everybody knows also. We are lying to each other. But this is mind. Mind become like this. Mind cannot be without false. Mind is false and he go with false. In this region I say to my all sannyasin first thing, if you be with couple, you should have to be independent. If you dependent, you will lie more. Because you know he giving something to you, he secure you, he save you, then you will be more lie. So world cannot go without lie. World means mind. Mind cannot be without lie. Mind means lie, false. You working in company, you have job, suddenly your boss is calling in cabin, come here, you coming, and he just hammering on you. Why you did this? You are not right. You are not perfect. I suspend you. I throw you out. And you just, yes, boss. Yes, yes, yes. But inside you feeling, just take this jug and throw on him, on his head. But you know very well also, if you did it, your job finished. Job finished. How you eat? Inside you say, no, I don't want, but outside you say, yes, okay, whatever you say, I will do. I go with it. And his boss say to him, his boss say to him, they each other talk like this. Market is very perfect place where you can learn how to lie better and better. Who are better liar, he success, most success. Who cannot lie, he left out, finish, last one. And last show, one master, he's saying, I'm the last one. I'm sitting in last. I'm totally very, very okay to be last. Because he know, if he is last, nobody look him. Nobody care about him, nobody think about him, nobody look about him. And he enjoy himself. And who are the last, has to be last, they really are first. They only the first. He don't want anything. He don't want to show anybody, look me, I am this or I am that. He's sitting in last. Okay, you go, you run first. You become first. You become top. I am very good. I am enjoy my last. I will be last. So he say I am the always in last. And everybody more than me. Whole world. I am the last person in the world. Really, he is the first person. First in the world. Who don't want anything. So as in you consciousness coming, your mind getting weaker. If consciousness is not there, mind will be. Then your life is false, your living false. And as your light is coming start, darkness is going away. Darkness cannot stand. And then you use the mind to work. To say the mind, okay, give me plans, give me what to do. And you know what to do, what not to do is clear. Will be very clear in you. As is your, if you have light. If light is not, everything chaos. You hit here, you fall there, hit with each other, always. Not anybody there, you fall by yourself because you cannot see anything. It is dark. Every step you very alert, very afraid, very fearful. If I do this, what will happen? If I do this, maybe wrong, maybe not good. Always afraid, always shaky. Means absence of the light. You don't have light. If you have light, no fear. Fear cannot stand there. Fear cannot stand 1 second. Fear has to go. Fear means darkness, fully dark. He has to go. So, in human being, mind is coming. This is best. Human is best in all creation. He better than animals, he better than birds, he better than everyone. He is the top. Because he has mind. But if he go in mind, if he grip in mind, if he become like a mind, then he is worst. Then he is very bad. Then he is not right. He has to go beyond mind. That is consciousness. As consciousness coming, mind will be weaker, less. His power will be finished. Then only he is good advisor, good direction. Very good will be. Mind will be very good then. Like you have bike. You coming from that village to this village. If bike is very good, sitting in bike, start, push button, bike start, 10 minutes you are here. If bike not, or you have to search a rickshaw, or you have to come walking. If walking maybe 1 hour, take. So bike is very good, very nice, giving you facilities, giving you, make you good. But if you coming from bike to here, and then you just sit in bike. Is this bike is very good, she bring me here, I cannot leave it. Just you glue. Then no, not good. Then bike become problem for you. Or somehow any time happened, you just coming in bike, stop, and you glue. You cannot go out. You want to go out, but cannot. Like somebody put glue in seat and you fix. Now you want to go very trouble. Sure, you want to come satsang and you stand outside and glue. Cannot leave the bike now. Then what will happen? You screaming start, shouting start, afraid, very fear. This bike is too much. I cannot leave this bike. The same is mind. Mind is very good. It brings you here, make you there, do this, do that. Making your life, how to live the life, how to do, what not to do. Very good. But if you glue with mind, and this is happening in everybody, therefore you say mind is very bad, mind is very disturbed, I am very confused, I am very disturbed. Because you cannot go away from the mind. Now you cannot leave the mind. 24 hours you glue, stuck. And if you stuck with anybody, if you stuck with your girlfriend 24 hours, she will be hell. She won't run away. You irritate with each other. Very good. Every day, few hours separate. Very much need. If you want to be loving, love together always. If your love should be remain all the time, few hours, please you we be separate. Then you, when you be separate, love is coming. More love. Love will happen. Are you go in meditation? Meditation makes same thing. Go inside, forget your everybody. No wife, no husband, no me, no you. Finished. And then again full of love, full of freshness, full of new leaf. So mind is very good, but if you not glue, if you not cling, if you not stuck, then very good mind. Mind is best. Then you love your mind. You say, wow, my mind is very good. Like my bike. My bike take me here, put me there, I feeling okay, go Chowdi, suddenly Chowdi. Okay, go Agonda in middle way, no, I don't feel stay in restaurant, suddenly bike will start. But if you say to bike, okay, now you take me Agonda, bike will start, take you. And then after 2 minutes, you say, see one restaurant, oh, I want eat something, drink something. Then you say, okay, bike, should we stop? The bike say, no, I could not stop. Now you said I have to go Agonda, I go Agonda. Then this bike will be problem, big problem. But same with your mind. You say to mind, do this, and then suddenly different thoughts coming, different thing coming. Energy don't want to go there, do this. The mind says, no, you promise. You promised. You have your husband, beginning, meeting, very loving. I can live with you forever. I will never leave you. Whole life. Okay. After 1 year, all illusion finished. No, then you say, no, I cannot live with you. And wife say, no, you promised. You said to me many times, even sometime agreement, we will live together. Now you cannot leave. Then this wife will be big headache. This husband will be biggest problem. You want to go but cannot go. But mind wants everything fixed. And this fixation makes your life joy finish. You cannot enjoy. Wherever you are fixed, you burden, you bend, you controlled. love is finished. No love is there. Mind there, but no love. And no love, no enjoy. But if world go, if you want to be in world, if you want to be in society, has to be in mind. Without mind, no possible. Therefore, all society, whole world, against the love. Against. We say, if your parents know you fall in love with somebody, she is scared. Mother is shaky start. Mother knows very well now she go out of me. Soon she will finish with me. Till you don't have boyfriend, girlfriend, mother knows you cannot go anywhere. You has to be with me. So then they looking everything, what you doing, what not doing. So mind is controlled everything. Controlling. Not giving freedom. And then if freedom is not, no enjoy, no love. Because love is freedom. Wherever freedom, love is there. So as your love coming, as you become more consciousness, conscious coming, mind will be less. If conscious is not there, only mind is there. And mind is there, so this all game, emotions, angry, jealousy, greed, attachment, everybody in this grip. Everybody has this. And you going in sannyas, going in meditation, slowly in you happening start your mind getting weak. Mind going start to away. You coming more conscious, more aware. You start more light happening in you. But that also light you cannot bear. Too much light also cannot bear. Then you again make something as mind can be stronger. Again. Looking relationship start, looking this thing start, looking that thing start. As mind can be. If mind is strong, you feel you are. You are good. You are okay. When mind is finished, you feeling you are nothing. Your personality, your identification, what you know about you is finished. Many times happen as you coming in much joy, more joy, more light. Suddenly you start to do jump in very mindly things. Just want to keep the mind. Mind should not go away. Otherwise, what to do? Who I am? What I am? What will do? You not recognize who you are. Only your all recognition because as your mind says. Mind is totally false. Mind is false. Therefore, one day mind can be finished. Because it is false. And what is true? It will be remain. It never will be finished. Truth never finish. But everybody living in mind, you inside mind, outside everybody mind, everybody in ego. And if you start to go away, you look like very different person, very special. Everybody throw out you from society. They say you are not, we cannot communicate you. Very difficult. But if you want conscious, don't listen others. Listen you. Come more in you. As you come more, automatic you will listen yourself. If you with anybody, very good. Any friends coming, enjoy, share love. We go, very good. Then you enjoy yourself much, much. You have time, existence give you time, very good. Sometimes you don't have any friend, nobody. You are alone, very good. Now you, time for you. Now your energy come back to you. When you be with somebody, energy go out, flowing to others. But that also good. Sometimes flow and sometimes be with alone. Both. Always out, finish. Your light will be finished. First you gain light, make light, then share your light. Then wherever you go, everybody enjoy with you. Everybody say, we are like you. I want to be with you. But if you have light, as you have light, suddenly people coming start. Because they feel joy. They feel good. They enjoying your energy, enjoy your to you. They coming start. Don't you be all the time with them again. Otherwise they finish your light. Again suck. Be sometimes sharing, enjoy, be in heart, be in love. Then again come back to yourself. Say now I come back, charge my battery again. Like this mobile is needs some time to go in plug. Charger. Put in charger. Then you again can talk with mobile. Every day you have to put in charger. So you have to put to you yourself also. Put in charger. Charge with light. Then okay. Then again you can talk. Can do anything. If you always do, out, will be finished. We also like a need charge. And charging is just plugged yourself. Just you take, put in plug. As you plugging mobile every day, put you in you. Go in heart. And heart is full of love, full of energy, full of conscious. Then come back 1 hour after, 2 hour after, very alive. Again you can talk 10 hours, 20 hours and depend on also. This is not everybody. If you go in meditation, charge yourself, you are full. But everybody has different. Somebody's battery go 8 hours, somebody battery go 12 hours, somebody battery go 15 hours. As your capacity, how much capacity, how much you gain, how much you have. And you know when your energy is finishing start, now time to again recharge, again charge. And satsang is making same thing. You come here, plugged in switch and charge. Then whole day okay, enjoy. Satsang in meditation, making this. charge to you again. And sometimes your battery is very old, you have to throw battery, charge, take new battery. New battery means new body. Yesterday I changed my battery, mobile, as I gave to shopkeeper. He said, very good you change now. Any moment this battery could be blast. Because this battery go big, off. I said, yeah, I feeling because I put and every 3 hours. Again after I have to charge, again have 3 hours to, before it was work 24 hours. So it is already finished, you should have to change few months before. And could be any moment this battery can be blast on the edge. And then if blast, then your mobile will be blast. And if your mobile has in pocket, you will be blast. Very right. And now I have new battery. Just I put yesterday, make charge. Okay, going on even long time. Looking nice also, looking beautiful. New battery, old was no looking good. Looking fatty, ugly. Same we are. Our body is battery. When finished, when old, not looking beautiful, throw it out. Finish. I don't want this body. I want new body. Leave body, go. Come back again. New body, fresh body, full of energy, full of love, full of joy. Anybody who come, you are child, anybody come like you, be with you, because you no mind, no ego. Or if you want, you like this body, enjoy this body, love this your body, as fast as you be no mind, then body is more beautiful. Then you enjoy your body. Anyhow, body will come older, will be finish something. But you know, whenever time coming, I have to leave the body. You know how to leave the body. Every day. As you going in no mind, as you be enlightened, go in your bed, lie, leave body and you go. You are out. Body is relaxed. Become full again. Then no problem with body. Then you always will be beautiful. Always will be looking nice, beauty, shining, graceful, like a new. If you see any enlightened person, always they looking nice. Looking more. Every day look to master. Master looks every day very beautiful. He never seen like a not good or always shining, always graceful. What he has. Why? Even we sit with him, we become also graceful, we become shining star. Because he know how to make every day new, how to be new, new and fresh, new and fresh. Existence is newly and fresh. Every moment, newly and fresh. When you know mind, every moment you become new energy coming, very flowful and fresh. So then you enjoy. Then mind is little bit mind coming, is need also. Enjoy the mind. Mind is no problem. Problem is if you grip, in grip of the mind. If you are out of mind, no problem. Out of anything, no problem. Problem only when you grip with anybody. with anything. This thing makes you problem. If you know how to be free, how to be detached, how to be go away, which day you know how do you go away from mind, how do you go away from, as you know how to go away from mind, you know how to go away from the world. You be in world, but you no, not in world. You always separate, always away. You sitting in thousands people in market, no effect. Nobody effective. Nobody touch you. Nobody can touch you. And I want you be in market, be in world, but be attached. No attached. Like if you seen lotus flower, lotus mostly coming in mud, very muddy water, lotus come there. I all around mud, dirty, very dirty. But no any dust, no any dirt touch to lotus. Any water coming, any dust coming, lotus throw it out. He always up. Water is here, mud is here, and he always on the surface, on the top. Even be in water, but no touch. Be like a lotus, be in market, be with darkness, be in garbage, but you will be light. No any darkness touch, no any mind can touch. Only you have to grow your awareness, be more aware, more conscious, then mind is no problem. Nothing. And problem till you have mind, and if you in grip of mind, will be difficult. And it is good. When you look the mind, what is mind, how is mind, what he doing, then you want to run away. Then you want, oh, I don't want to be like this. I don't want, nobody like to be misery, bad mood. Always like good mood, nice, beautiful, loving. When you much in mind, very difficult. So, consciousness coming and mind finish. If consciousness not is there, mind is there. So this is mind. As consciousness come, truth come, false will go away. False will be finished. Okay. Then siren is there. Finish. Time is finished. So before we start music, finish with music, celebration, and few more days we are here. Today 7th, just 10 days more. We are here. And then finish here. Deepak, what to do? What they do?
Prepare music, but
So 15th we have celebration, good birthday celebration, sannyas that day. Who wants sannyas, or who has sannyas and no name, or has sannyas and no mala, or new mala want, so can give name to Sevika. She is there, she is last one sitting. So you can give to her your name what you want. And first we celebrate sannyas and then celebration 15 evening, but evening will be sannyas. And then 16 morning will be last satsang. I am with you. Then I go to Rishikesh. and you come Rishikesh. Slowly, slowly move. Come there. They are also very beautiful and joyful. Enjoying everywhere, wherever go enjoy. Just you have to know how to enjoy. Then enjoy. And this Saturday, Sunday will be last retreat. Will be Vipassana retreat. So who want? This will be last here. Then Vipassana, you know everybody. Sit silent, watch the breath. Just watching the breath. Very simple. Close eyes, watch the breath. No any breath go without your knowing. It's very simple. In saying it's very simple when I say. But when you do, very difficult. 3-4 breath you watching and forget. Then again come back, oh, I am watching the breath. Then 3-4-5 watching, then forget. Very difficult to you if you watching continuous 5 minutes if you can watch your breath, every breath. Very difficult. If you not practiced much. Every single next moment, 2 minutes after you forget. So it is very strong technique, very meditative technique, sitting technique, and very strong and effective technique. So who like, they can. 3 session will be every day, 2 days, 3 and 3 times sitting Vipassana. Like this. Okay. Ready? Celebrate. Last 2 days, who went somewhere out? Put hand. Who went anywhere? Almost half is here, half is out. Was good? Good. Harambol, Pendulum. I wanted to go also, I went, but I stuck in Madgaon. Then, before yesterday, yeah. Went to Madgaon, drinking coffee. Then I said, okay, go into Pendulum. And went, and as I reaching start before Panjim, then I stopped car, no feeling, I don't want to go, I don't feel good. And turn back my car, come back to Madgaon, take hotel, and 2 days in hotel, just lying. Coming down to eat, a little bit walk, then again in room. Very, very good, enjoy. Just being alone for 2 days. Nothing to do, just lying. When feeling chai, just take phone, send chai, send food. Mostly in room.
You stayed in luxury hotel.
Yeah, not very luxury and not very low, but they have restaurant down, phone, can say everything. So it's like this. Enjoy. And it is not also joy is depend because luxury. Any simple room, normal room, I enjoy. For me, joy is not because outside. When I meditate many times, I go in mountain, lying on rock. Whole night sleep there on the river. Very good. Best. Sometimes happen like I go in tree, big branch, lie there, sleep. Whole night sleeping on the branch. If I just turn, fall down. very aware, lying on the branch. Many time go mountain just on the cliff. If one step more, you go 100 feet. And there I lie. I say, I lie here. I lie here. And if you lie there, you will be sleepy but not sleepy. You will have to be aware. If one turn happened and finish. Many times I did lie and enjoy. So if I'm in my home, it's normal room, it's very good hotel, or very luxury 5-star hotel, no difference. Joy, we have joy with us. If you're in 5-star hotel and you good bad mood, finish. What hotel do with you? And if you are very good mood, even you have hut, one hut, very simple hut, this hut will be divine. So be happy. Joy always. But wherever I go, I enjoy very much with 2 days. Very alone, joyful. Sometimes going in market little bit, morning, evening, walking. Today morning come back.
But can you sleep with noise, traffic, cars, motorcycle in the night time?
Yes, no problem. Because one thing is this is like a, mostly for India, very difficult to find place very quiet. You go and find very difficult to find place very quietly. Every time something is happening. Here noise, there noise. If you go in any hotel, don't know what can happen any moment. Anybody knock in your door also. Can knock without reason. Something can happen. But no problem. And this thing, if you've been in Pune ashram, you did white robe. And in white robe, Osho he said, make music fast, as fast. Bam, 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 strong. If you're very centered, nothing problem. Sometimes very everybody quiet, sitting, bam, bam, bam. Some people jerk. If you're very centered, no jerk, nothing. Sometimes if you disturb inside, you say, oh, too much noise here, too much music, very loud. Why so loud music? We came to here to be quiet. If you have already quiet, outside no problem, no anything. If you inside not quiet, even you go in forest, very difficult. Even nobody is there. So you have to look inner silence, inner quietness. There no any disturbance, no any problem. And you enjoy it. Very good. Okay. Who would like to sing, sing together.